Hello friends, I am back home from work and today was the first day after 6 days in Sardinia. So I went to the grocery shop and since I ate a little bad in Sardinia and in these days I am home alone, I just want to eat as clean and healthy as possible. So I just want to show you what I bought today from the grocery shop. 2 packs of tofu. Tofu is my main source of protein, but I also eat chicken and seitan. And by the way, if you want to introduce more protein in your diet, but also you don't want to add a lot of calories, consider to check my guide of protein here in the description. Some lettuce. This is called iceberg here in Italy. 2 small pack of cottage cheese, some zucchinis, bananas, tomatoes, eggs, potatoes and peaches, some black olives and some kefir. If you don't know, this is good for your gut. I also bring some gloves. I use these once a week to do a mask for my hands. So I think that I'm gonna take a shower and maybe we'll do a little of batch cooking for the next days. Maybe some zucchinis and some tofu. I am a little tired. I arrived at home yesterday at 11 p.m. and today I went to work, so I am just a little tired and I think I want to also play some time at Hogwarts Legacy. And I also have a lot of YouTube videos to retrieve. So yeah, let's take a shower. Okay, I ended the shower and now I want to tidy up the kitchen and to cook some zucchini with tofu and curry and maybe wash some salad. I don't know what to eat for dinner, so I have to think about it. But I'm gonna prepare watching some videos and relax and enjoying the moment. ended my dinner and it's really late right now. It's 9:30 p.m. and I am really tired, but I would like to play. I'm gonna play to Hogwarts Legacy, watching some videos or maybe a documentary. So yeah, we will see tomorrow. Good morning, friends. Today is the 1st of May and it's a holiday here in Italy, so I plan to do a little trip with my mom today, and obviously I'll take you with me. I am doing breakfast right now, and while I eat my porridge I also take my supplements, which are creatine and vitamin D. This is the outfit for today. I don't really know what to wear because today it's really hot, but it can be also really cold. So yeah. Hello friends, I'm back home and I want to prepare just a quick salad for the evening. I am really tired, so yeah, I want to stay lean for dinner. And I wanted to show to you this super cute colander, strawberry shaped. It is so cute. And in the meantime, I was watching a documentary about the Roman Empire. So yeah, let's prepare. Ta-da! I think that salad it's not so aesthetic when it's mixed. Let's try this. Buon appetito! It is really good. I am playing Hogwarts Legacy right now. I am trying to improve these challenges, in particular since I am playing with my boyfriend, and in these days I am home alone. I am trying to improve these three cards. So yeah, I think I'm gonna play maybe 1 hour and then I'll go to sleep. So I want to end the video here. Thank you for watching. We will see in the next video. Bye bye!